We're not playing Pee and Tom here or whatever it's called, but you get the point, right? It's just an example. We prefer normally observe animals, record. So you see, because it's on the phone, you can take pictures, you can record the video in 4K, use the autofocus your phone is offering, which helps to get the clear picture. Today I want to show you what you can do with one of our Python HDs. Attached you will find the iPhone 12 Pro. It's raining a little bit, which is not a problem because we are fully waterproof. So we're looking here at approximately 4 miles distance right now, and you can see the detail. The phone right now is at 3.2x magnification. The Python HD is at 36x optical magnification. It's crystal clear, sharp. This is not the newest iPhone, so if you use a better phone like an S22 Ultra Samsung Galaxy or an iPhone 14 Pro, you will get even much better results. Our Python HD enables pretty much any smartphone to be transformed into a long-range telescope, pocket telescope you can carry anywhere you want. Here's the setup. This is the setup. We're right now in San Diego. Be careful if you do very long range with a stable tripod. Okay, you will need a very stable tripod if you want to go beyond 50x magnification. With an iPhone you can go around 50x. With a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, for example, you can go 136 times magnification. You will need a very stable tripod if you do that. Just to be clear, to show you where we are looking at. So this house there, all the way into the end, on the hill. That's what you just have seen on the screen, okay? Yeah, it's an amazing little telescope. Definitely check it out. Order's yours today.